All right, so this is for Math 105, Lesson 7, right around number 19, where you are given a function and then you are asked to find that function. So f of x equals 4x squared minus 7x plus 8, and you are asked to find, 4 or 5 other functions and simplify that. I'm going to do just a couple of them, and hopefully that will be enough to get you on the right track. So for part A, for example, it's asking you to find and simplify f of t minus 5. So what we do here is we basically just replace wherever you see an x, we're going to put in a t minus 5. Okay, so what that looks like then is f of t minus 5 equals 4 times t minus 5 all squared minus 7 times t minus 5 plus 8. And what we do here is we simply simplify it. So you're just going to work through the steps and go ahead and work it out. So for the first part, I'm going to go ahead and expand that binomial. So I'm going to have my 4 times t squared minus 10t plus 25 minus 7t plus 35 plus 8. And I think you can see where this is going. So now we're going to go ahead and distribute the 4. So you have 4t squared minus 40t plus 100 minus the 7t plus 35 plus 8. And then all we do from here is simply combine your like terms. So you're left with 4t squared minus 47t plus 143. And that will be your final answer for that one. Okay. On the next one, I wanted to show you with something like part C. We're using the same function here of f of x equals 4x squared minus 7x plus 8. And now you're asked to find f of a plus h minus f of a. Okay, so what we do here is something very similar. So I first have to replace it with a plus h and then with a. So what that looks like here is this. You're going to have 4 times a plus h squared minus 7 times a plus h plus 8. And now here's the next part. This is going to be your minus f of a. So what I do is I put that subtraction sign in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this in brackets because I don't want to forget my signs later. And if I try to distribute them too soon, it's easy for me to make a mistake. So this is the way I like to do it. So we have 4a squared minus 7a plus 8. And then, just like the last one, we're going to go ahead and start to simplify. So I'm going to go ahead and expand that squared term. So a squared plus 2ah plus h squared minus 7a minus 7h plus 8 minus 4a squared plus 7a, and then a minus 8. Oops, and I forgot a parenthesis right here. There needs to be a parenthesis. Okay, so now we just continue to go ahead and simplify this. So I have 4a squared plus 8ah plus 4h squared minus 7a minus 7h plus 8 minus 4a squared plus 7a minus 8. Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and start combining your like terms here. So starting with the 4a squared, I notice that I have one here, and that'll cancel out with this one here. I have a minus 7a and a plus 7a. I have an 8 and a minus 8. So all of those are going to cancel out. So what you are left with then in the end is 4h squared plus 8ah minus 7h. Now, technically, you could factor it out. However, for these problems, I don't believe that that's necessary for you to do. So you're okay probably just leaving it like this. When I punched it in, it accepted it just fine. But if you choose to factor it out, you can see here that you do have an h in each term. That could also come out as well. So, but I think in Math Excel, it says explicitly do not factor. So, so this is what you would then go ahead and enter in. And so I hope this helps with those types of problems. Certainly, if you run into more issues, let me know, and I would be happy to help.